Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Don Ron Bro Show. Today is Friday, the 8th, April 8th. It's a good Friday. I went and I got that fade. I hit up my boy Mark. He always does a great job. So if you need a fade, if you need to be looking fresh, if you got a hot date, or if you're just tired of looking like Shaggy, hit up my boy Mark. He'll do you real nice. Let him know that the Don sent you. Let him know. But yeah, we got an exciting show today. We got some Bitcoin to talk. We got Bitcoin Miami going on. We'll look into that. We'll listen to some TA from Piano Matty B, as always, bringing that TA. We got some crypto news. Strike teams teams up with Shopify to facilitate Bitcoin payments. So good news for Bitcoin there. And also, Bitcoin can be gearing up towards 50,000 K Bitcoin. So, key resistant level there. We'll be looking at that. Publicly listed mining companies dominate global Bitcoin hash rate. That's good. That's good. Also, we have Kathy Wood. Bitcoin's a great hedge against inflation. So, some news from Bitcoin Miami. Bitcoin Miami. So thanks for stopping by, having this Friday here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It looks like we're up to 118 followers. I don't know how to make this change, but just ignore that. 118 right there. So we're getting a little closer to our goal there. Good stuff. But I guess let's hear what Piano Matty B has for us today.
Bitcoin crypto morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It's April 8th, 2022. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning tea. A brief glimpse to the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data.
Good afternoon.
The FOMO index has inched up to 37 from yesterday's 34. Bitcoin dominance is 41%. 24-hour volume's 84 billion. And the overall market cap is 2.02 trillion. Give or take 100 million. B major 7th, add the 2 and the 6. Make your parents proud, why not? And you have maybe the most loyal friend a guy could ask for. Not best band material, but I'm not the marrying type anyways. Marriage is silly. No, the kind of loyal friend that shows up to your kids' events without fail, and because he doesn't really know the majority of your Johnny-come-lately social circle, he just stands at the back of the room, gives you the odd head nod, leaves without saying goodbye, and texts you. Always great to see you, buddy. And you don't talk to him for another 6 months. Are we in the midst of a V-shaped recovery? Geez, I don't know. I mean, does it really look like it? Definitely doesn't look like the last V-shaped recoveries. Are we still in the ballpark of a V-shaped recovery? I.e., can it still happen? Geez, I also don't know. I mean, is there a level we would have to get to today to officially say it is a V-shaped recovery? Well, okay. But for this piano to officially sign off on a V-shaped recovery, we'd have to at least hit 44.6. To even humor the notion of a V-shaped recovery. And that's the min pump this piano would have to see. Ideally, the market sociopath who manipulates the piano, i.e. me, would like to see a min pump to 45.5 to officially sign off. And what does that tell you? It says the piano has lower expectations than the market sociopath who manipulates it. Probably a better hang, too. That being said, in a long roundabout way. Are we then mincing words and slowly carving out the bear flag? The piano says, no, not just yet, Piano Matty B. It's Friday, for the love of Pete, relax, buddy. While the market sociopath who manipulates it says, yeah, she's kind of looking that way, folks. Sorry. And then some hard facts about the price probability that bear flag is. And sing it with me now. You take the pole, you slide it all to the breakout point, and then we're all at 39.6-ish. Shut your mouth. The only thing kind of making a case for continued mild bullish pressure, and I mean mild in the sense that everyone involved gets a participation award, no one really wins, is the bullish hidden divergence of the kinky kind.
Nice to see you.
Hidden bullish divergence tells us price action will likely continue at the same level rather than a reversal. But it still has bullish in its name. So there's that, I suppose. But it's like dating the funny friend with lots of personality instead of the belle of the ball you originally and still have your eye on. She might be a barrel of laughs and a mildly okay conversationalist, but she's still just a continuation pattern. Now, I've been hearing this narrative with the curse of the Bitcoin conference, which I've been putting in my titles all week long, refers to this concept that the whales get some sort of sick satisfaction out of waiting for the conference and then raining on its fellow hodlers' parade by dumping the price. But I think that's outrageous. After all, it's the vast majority of hodlers that keeps the backbone of price action. Fighting back and to say that there is a divide of us and them, to me at least, goes against the very ethos that Bitcoin stands for. And we should all place a few intellectual scarecrows in the subconscious to ward off these silly notions when they try to sneak in. 'Cause unfortunately, but not surprising, the dump just coincides with the legacy zombie market selling off. Look familiar? This is the last gasp of a corrupt fiat regime trying desperately to survive, although his blood is thinning and its body's wasting away. And like a desperate drowning person flailing around in the water, takes anybody who gets close to it down as well. And folks, the hard truth is we have to let her drown. But it won't be pretty, and it'll take a lot of people down with it, including the Bitcoin price. But then it begins. The great divorce. In its death arises a new financial paradigm. Bitcoin is our financial life preserver. It's a simple question of having one or not. If you have invested in Bitcoin, you have a life preserver. You are safe. If you haven't, you're not. You'll likely not survive, financially speaking. So how much would you pay for said life preserver? When the water is calm and nobody's drowning, you probably wouldn't think twice about paying anything for it. But as conditions get worse and the arms of the legacy zombie market start flailing around, you and everybody else start looking for life preservers only to find the true meaning of scarcity and the price going up exponentially. But the price doesn't matter, folks. It's a must-have. What it costs you is inconsequential on the other side. Because you got there because of it, and only it. So if you paid $1 for your Bitcoin, great. If you paid $70K for it, you're still lucky and early. Because you still have it. That, my friend, is all that matters. Not the price, because when it gets dark and stormy, and the great transition begins, and everyone is trying to find a life preserver to survive. How much would you sell yours for? That's right. There is no price. Because price doesn't matter. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And it's Friday, so join me tonight at 9:30 for the live dueling pianos if you have any requests. Stick her in the comment section. And of course, sing me out. Around the banks of Boom the Spank.
Big boy crypto in the morning tea. Hey,
Have a great weekend, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I get a little excited there. You know? Money makes me happy. Money gets me excited. Good to see some people jumping in the chat early today. Got a few viewers. Nice to see you guys. What's up? What's up? Hello, hello. Hope you guys are having a beautiful Friday. It's a beautiful Friday here at the beach. I'm actually going to be going to the beach after the beach here. So I'm excited for that. On Monday, you guys might see me with a tan. Might be looking a little darker, you know. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Fun weekend planned. What are you guys doing for the weekend? Let me know. You guys have any plans? Are you guys going to be hitting the beach or just staring at the charts all day? What are you guys going to do? We got Yo Soy Chelly in the chat saying she loves money too. That's right. That's right. Who doesn't love money? All right. So I guess we can jump into the charts here. We got, like Piano Matty B was saying, we got the market cap at 2.01 trillion, you know, just hovering at that 2 trillion. So it looks like it's holding. We've recovered. I know we fell underneath the 2 trillion for a little bit, but it looks like we're holding on for a little bit. I do predict this to get a little lower, though. I see this going down lower. All right, going to the beach, home 2. All right, staring at the charts. So RSG is going to be staring at the charts at work. All right. Well, we can't wait to have you here. Oh no, look at this. We're back at the ranch. No, we got to go to the beach. There we go. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, RSG staring at the charts at work. So at least we got somebody looking at the charts all the time, you know. Make sure that you notify us if anything happens. But let's look at these gainers today. We got Sakura Bloom with a 495%. Crazy stuff. Web3 All Best ICO 200%, and Rats Coin 140. These are all coins that I would not invest in. Don't feel bad if you missed out on these. Don't worry about them. But let's see what the Big Daddy Bitcoin is doing today. Looks like not much. It's still looks like it hasn't really done anything since yesterday. Just kind of holding there around 43K. Down 6% for the weekly. Opal Coin. I'm going to play video games, says Rover. Oh, nice. Crazy gain on the Opal Coin. I think he's talking about UFO Coin. That's the coin RSG is always shilling at us. So let's take a look. We've been talking about UFO Coin for a while. UFO Coin. Looks like not much going on with UFO Coin. So Rover wants to know, what should we invest in? All right. Well, Rover, if there's one thing you should know is you should not invest when you're ready. All right. Main thing a lot of people in this channel don't know is that you can't just say like, oh man, I got $1,000 right now. What should I invest in? I got $1,000. I'm ready. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy something. I'm going to invest. I'm ready to invest. I'm ready to be an investor. Yeah, I'm going to invest. You know, one big thing that I advise is don't invest when you have the money to invest. Invest when it's the right time. Look for that dip. Look for a good price to come on in on something that you've been wanting to have. All right. So Upo, he says not UFO, Upo. All right. So Opal Coin. Sounds like UFO coin. We'll take a look into that. Opal up only, up 106%. Up only. It's up to $1. Looks like it was trading at about 50 cents. It is up a lot. What is this Opal coin? The live up only price is this. Alright, up only is building the industry first play to earn data directory. Where's this market cap? What is up with this coin? Market cap right here. This is the volume. Opal coin. Never heard of this coin. RSG. What's up with this coin? Tell me a little bit about this coin. All right. All right. Let's see here. Insightful action data. All existing play to earn platforms. Users will be able to use data as numbers of games trading. So it looks like it's a play to earn platform. Players can use the wealth of information available on Up Only to identify which games offer the most lucrative rewards and the best gameplay experience. So he just saw it on KuCoin. So yeah, just a coin. Don't worry if you didn't have Up Only. Don't worry. It's not like you knew that was gonna happen. All right, but stay with the safe, all right? Here in this channel with Don Ron Bro Show, I'm gonna keep you safe. I'm gonna keep you making that money. We're not about losing money here. So I will never show you any of these coins that are just popping up like crazy. Definitely don't buy something after it has gone up 200, 300, 400, 500%. You're just asking to lose some money if you're gonna be doing that. But yeah. We got Ethereum at 3,000, up 2% on the daily. It looks like everything's just not really moving much today or this week. Everything's just going sideways. Solana up 2%. It's been having a tough week. Tough week for Solana. We got XRP still losing some more. So, there's a little chance there to start accumulating some XRP. This is one of the coins that I have been telling people is a good coin to invest in. It's 77 cents. It's number 7. It's a little expensive for me. I'd probably try scooping this up at around 70 cents. All right. Rob Bro Gaines. Yeah. Hey, Rodriguez, thanks for stopping by. Yeah. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the love. Remember, if you haven't followed, if you're not following me yet, click the follow button somewhere, right? I'm not exactly sure where the follow button is. And if you have an Amazon Prime account, make sure to link that up with your Twitch account and give me a subscribe, I'm still waiting for my first subscriber, so I'm waiting for that to happen. So yeah, let me know how that is. Hey, there we go. Thanks for the follow, Ben. The Gathering. Oh, look at that. And a Prime subscription. Thank you. That's my first Prime subscription. So, Benji the Gathering. Thanks. Appreciate it. Much love. Let me know if you're going to be buying or selling any coins lately. And I'll let you know if those are good buys or not. Oh, we got Ben Taylor in the house. That's what's up. That's what's up. Big Bad Taylor. That Taylor gang. What's up, Ben? How you been, man? I'm guessing all the way up from Iowa. So thanks. Appreciate the love. Much love. You investing any crypto, Ben? You got any Bitcoin, any Ethereum, anything? Let me know what you got. Show me your coins. If you're not big on the crypto space, welcome to the Don Ron Bro Show. And it's all good up in Sioux City, bro. All love. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Still in the dirty Sioux. I'm loving it. RSG jumping in the chat. He says he's got some gala today. Some gala. Don't know much about gala. We could take a look at that for you, RSG. See if what I think about your purchase there. I wish you would have talk to me about before purchasing this. Not surprised to see this right here, 22-cent coin. RSG always likes the cheapest cent coins. He likes to keep them low. Although that's not a strategy I recommend. I don't recommend that strategy. So don't just buy a coin just because it's got a bunch of zeros in front of it. But let's see here for the monthly. Man, looks like Gala's come back. Seen some retracement. It had a pretty big pump this year. Gonna assume, yeah, this was right around Thanksgiving time here. It looks like it's following Bitcoin, crashing with everybody else. It's looked like it had an all-time high of 70 cents or so. What else we got here? We got 20 cents. So yeah, it looks like it's down 50 cents from all-time highs. So you are getting good discounted price. You're not buying it at this price, so that's good. It looks like it's got some a good momentum going behind it. So I don't think this was a bad purchase. It looks like a decent purchase here today. Yeah, so it's in the red. It's in the red. So this is definitely when you want to be purchasing stuff. I'm guessing you bought it somewhere between 20 cents and 22 cents. And we'll see how that works out for you. Let's take a look at Gala. Let's see what Gala is all about. What is Gala? Gala Games aims to take the gaming industry in a different direction by giving players back control over their games. Gala Games' mission is to make blockchain games you actually want to play. The project wants to change the fact that players can spend hundreds of dollars on in-game assets and countless hours playing the game, which could be taken away from them with the click of a button. It plans to reintroduce creative thinking into games by giving players control of the game's in-game assets with the help of blockchain technology. I guess, yeah, so some of the games that people have spent money on before, the developers or, just everybody behind it is like, we don't want to be doing this game no more, and then they just delete the game. And then all that hard time that you spent playing that game is gone, you feel like you lost a lot. Oh, so Ben says he owns a ETF that trades under BTO. So nice. Good to hear that you own some ETFs. I don't usually jump into that. I rather buy my Bitcoin, and so that's good to hear. Good to hear. It's good stuff, all the way from Sioux City. All right. I mostly just buy and sell coins. That's how I've made my money, and that's what I recommend. But ETFs is definitely interesting stuff, man. Interesting stuff. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games within the Gala Games ecosystem. The founder nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence what games Gala should develop and what games should get funding. Besides buying NFTs for specific games, Gala Games also utilizes Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one playable game, Townstar, and NFT collectible series, Vox. It plans to release more games in the future, such as fantasy RPG games, a sci-fi strategy game, and a tower defense game. Since launching in 2019, the Gala game has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users, and 26,000 NFTs have been sold, with the most expensive piece valued at $3 million. So it looks like they're definitely making some moves already. Gala's been got a lot of NFTs. It's got them games. So it looks like it's a gaming blockchain. It's gonna be helping with the gaming space, NFTs. So if you like NFTs, you like playing games, you like gaming, Gala might be a coin for you. I know RSG likes to play some games, so I would definitely think about playing some of these games, RSG, if you're going to be investing in Gala. See what's up with their games, and let me know if they're fun to play or if they're not fun to play. Are you going to be playing some of these games, these play-to-earn games? It's interesting stuff. What makes Gala Games unique? Gala Game is not a single game, but rather offers an entire array of different blockchain games that plays fun first and blockchain in the background. That's important, man. Fun always first. I know a lot of people, they say rule number 1 is have fun, right? Rule number 2, Make sure you're following rule number 1. So have fun is always on the top of my list. You know, I prioritize fun over a lot of things. So it's a good coin. Good coin. I'm liking this coin. Gala. Let's see what else. Town Star. Its only current playable game is a town simulation that can be played in a browser. Players manage a town similar to the gameplay of SimCity, but in a Town Star, they actually own the town. Okay, this is kind of lame. Sims, role-playing games, not really big into that. I like to pwn noobs. So when I'm playing a video game, I want to make sure that I dominate my opponent. I'm just going to pwn these noobs. So Fortnite, I like to pwn noobs there. Halo, like pwning noobs there. Running around in a city simulator, not going to be much pwning going on there. I don't think I'm going to be doing that. But let me know, are you guys going to be playing this Town Star? RSG, I recommend you play it. Let me know how it goes. If it's good, maybe we'll jump in. Vox's Gala's game set of collectible NFT avatars. Each Vox is unique, and some Vox are rarer than others. In the initial drop, 8,888 Vox were distributed for an average price of 0.0888 ETH, or roughly $280 at the time of writing. Although inspired by Townstar, Vox's other utility besides being an NFT avatar, holders can lock up Gala and earn Vox coin by playing their Vox avatars in the future. Vox owners also get their own FBX file, which allows them to animate their avatar or even 3D print them in the future. Ooh. You got your little fake little avatar going around going, hey, look, this is me in my video game. Look, check out my NFT. Hey. If that's something you like, if you like to talk smack and show your friends, Gala might be the coin for you. Users can run Gala nodes, which supports the Gala network. In return, they receive rewards like Gala, limited edition NFTs, and other opportunities. The Gala node ecosystem consists of a triple proof node system, proof of work, POW, proof of stake, and proof of storage. POW are called funder nodes, which they are tier 1 nodes based on 50,000 fully owned NFTs. These are early supporters of the network and will receive NFTs from all subsequent games in Gala allocated to their node license. POS are paid nodes that operate in specific games throughout smart contracts, rental structure. Proof of storage are free nodes that will allow the games to be fully hosted on the node ecosystem, removing reliance on centralized hosting solutions like Amazon S3. All right, so it looks like you can set up one of these Gala nodes and you can start earning NFTs. You can receive some NFTs, yeah, right here. If you start running some nodes. I know running nodes is a little bit more complicated. We can look into how to run a node. I know it's going to take a lot of coins. It's going to take a lot of funds. But if you have the funds and you want to run some nodes, you can definitely earn some NFTs and start selling those. I mean, if they're going for $200 and then they're reselling for $3 million, you know. You never know. That could be your NFT. That could be your NFT that does that. So we'll keep an eye on that. Good stuff. What other coins you guys looking into? What other coins you guys been talking about? We'll continue down the list. Avalanche up 7%. Looks like one of the bigger gainers for the day. What are we losing some data here from Dogecoin, everybody's favorite coin? We can't have that. We must know the Doge. We must know the Doge coming in at 14 cents, up 3%. Nice having a nice little bounce back. It's been having a good week after those. RSU getting the Kadena. Kadena, definitely a coin that we'll be looking into a little bit later. Kadena, great coin. I've been looking at Kadena for a while now, so interesting stuff. Kadena. I hear that Kadena is backed by a lot of big whales, so definitely a coin that likes to pump and pump hard. Kadena. We'll look into that. We got Shiba, not doing much. I think Shiba's been just dropping slowly for this week. You know, you hate to see it. I hope you guys are not holding the Shiba bags. But if you are, it's okay, you know. We'll let you know when it's a good time to buy some more and a good time to sell some more here on the Don Ron Bro Show. So we'll stay looking at that. We got Near Protocol coming in at 25%. Look at that. 30 32% on the weekly. So great week for Near Protocol, jumping all the way up to 16, spot number 16 right here. We'll keep moving. We got the CRO token, Kronos, up 2%. I got a lot of people asking me if they should be staking this coin. I keep saying not right now, not right now. Down to 45 cents. I think a good buying price would be around 20 cents. This coin hasn't dropped too much from its all-time highs. I believe around 70 cents. We can look here. Take a look at the chart. Maybe up to 90 cents, I believe. 84 cents, 90 cents. Yeah, 90 cents, all-time highs. So it has seen some retracement. Looks like 50%, maybe 60, maybe some 50% here. But yeah, CRO token, great coin. Crypto.com, great company. If you don't have any, I'll tell you when it's a good buying price. I'm guessing somewhere around the 20s it would be a good buying price. It'd be like almost 80% drawback since all-time highs, and I'll be looking to accumulate that in some time, but not right now. Not right now, guys. Not right now. Right now, not the time to buy. Just slight dips on most of the stuff. Unless you're like my boy RSG313 and you got that money, you like those big risks. You know, he's taking some big risks. Not that big, not that big. It's not too high, not too high. But this is a bear market, guys. I can't stress that enough. We're in a bear market. Trading a bear market is a lot harder to make money. There is an opportunity to make money in a bear market, but of course, a lot easier to make the money on a bull market. FTX token coming in at 1% for the daily, down 9% on the weekly, not so good. Tron down 13%. So let's look at the biggest gainers. Let's see what's been moving today. So yeah, Near Protocol moving 24%. What is going on there? Definitely gonna dive into that. See why this is happening. Look at that beautiful chart. Beautiful chart. Just beautiful 7-day chart. Monthly chart looking gorgeous right here. 3 months chart. So if you've been in this for 3 months, you're back to where you're at. Let's look at this yearly chart. So here we go. Looks like Near Protocol started somewhere in 2020 in October, and they've been having just a great run. Let's see where they were at in yeah. So around Christmas time, Thanksgiving time, right here, when Bitcoin crashed, it looks like they've been booming since. So Near Protocol not moving with Bitcoin. What do you know about Zed? Zedrun.io. Zed is I don't know about Zed actually, Ben Taylor, but we can look into Zen. Zed. Zedrun.io. What is that? We'll take a look into that. So Near Protocol. So we got some of this. Near Protocol is a layer 1 blockchain that was designed to community-run cloud computing platform that eliminates some of the limitations that have been blocking competition blockchains, such as low transaction speeds, low throughput, and poor interoperability. This provides ideal environment for dApps, creating developers and users. So it looks like it's a cloud blockchain, facilitating and making it work faster than the cloud blockchains that we have right now. Near Protocol is being built on Near Collective. It's a community that is updating initial code, releasing updates to the ecosystem. Flux is a protocol that allows developers to create markets based on assets, communities, and real-world events, and mint-based NFT mining platform. So Near Protocol. Let's see, what is Zed? What's going on with Zed? So Zed, not a coin. Looks like Zed.run.io. Let's see here. A park free courtesy of GoDaddy.com. It's parked free, yeah. I clicked on the link you sent me there, Ben, and I'm getting nothing. I'm getting nothing. Zenrun.io is parked free, courtesy of GoDaddy. Yeah, so this is what I'm seeing here. Not, yeah. So I don't know much. I can look into that. Yeah, don't know much about that. We can look into that. What is Zed? What's going on there? All right. But yeah, Near Protocol. Definitely going to be looking into Near Protocol. It looks like does not move with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin dumps, it looks like this guy's moving up. Definitely something to hedge against Bitcoin. Up at $18. Definitely don't recommend buying this today. Although this chart is very bullish. I'm not trying to buy this green right here. It's too green for me. You know, I don't buy the green. I buy the red. That's where you make the big bucks. So Near Protocol, guys, something to look at. Let's look at Kadena. How's Kadena? Where's Kadena at? I know it's in the top 100. Maybe it's fallen since. It's got a pretty icon, so looking for that. Let's see if we could see it. We're number 70s now. NG over here. We got the Gala curve. Kadena, KDA. What's going on with Kadena? Up 1%, $6. Kadena, relatively young coin. Looks like it was trading for cents. Yeah, 40 cents, 20 cents. Went all the way up to what do we got here? $22, $24, almost 25. Right before Thanksgiving, so pumped a little bit earlier. All-time highs, yeah, it started to and start to retrace here after Thanksgiving, and we've had a pretty significant pullback from $25, $24. It's got some momentum going this week. It had a pretty good week, and then we had some pullbacks. So actually, a good time to buy. If you're ever thinking about buying Kadena, this was probably a good buy. RSG, not a bad buy. You know, you didn't buy something that was pumping, that was super green. So not too bad, not too bad. Although I do think Kadena has some room to get lower from here. Probably gonna go down a little bit more. But if you see some spikes, you know, if you get a little pump, if you get a nice pump, you know, definitely capitalize on it and take some gains off of that. You know, don't be scared to get some gains. This one thing I've been talking to people lately is that I think buying is the easy part. You know, most people they think, you know, buying something is going to be an investment. This is smart for the future. This is going to be something that I can live with losing, you know, and people usually buy. And then they start making some money, and then they're like, you know what? Like I've made some pretty good profit. I put in $100. I'm at $1,000 right now. But you know, $1,000 isn't gonna change my life. If this Shiba coin goes to a penny, I'm gonna have $1 million. I'm just gonna wait on that. And you know what? Having a 10x is so great. It's so great. It's like, oh my God, you did so well. Like, take some profit, man. Take that $1,000, take it out and invest it in something else that hasn't moved 100%. Like, come on, man. That's the way to get the money, make the money. You move money. You got to be smart with it. If you make some profits, take the profits, man. Don't just be letting that sit there. Some people are long-term hodlers. They say, I got to avoid the taxes, you know. I got to hold for longer than a year. I can't be selling. But yeah, if you hold and then in a year it's going to drop 70, 80% like most of these coins do. As we could see, all these coins are dropping at least 50%. Like, you're not going to having profits then. You're going to be losing all your profits, you know. So you know, just sell. Just sell sometimes. You're up 10%. You've made some good gains. Sell. Don't be afraid to sell. Don't be afraid to sell, guys. Come on. Don't be afraid to sell and take your profits when you can, you know. And pay your taxes, man. Don't be afraid. Paying taxes is not that bad. Like, you'd rather pay taxes because you made some money than not have to pay taxes because you keep losing money. You know, I have some friends, I'm not going to mention any names, but every time when it comes around November, December, and I'm screaming at them, you need to sell now. And they're over there like, no, I don't want to pay any taxes. I don't want to pay any taxes, so I don't want to pay too high of a tax. I was like, bro, just pay your taxes, bro. Just pay them. But enough of that. Enough about that. I get worked up sometimes. Sorry, guys. Let's jump into some headlines, all right? Or Kadena. I think it's good. Good coin, you know? Good stuff. All right. So, we got Bitcoin is the number one recurring buy asset for 2022, more than AAPL and Tesla. So, it has emerged that Bitcoin, the most popular recurring purchase in 2022, surpassing leading companies such as Apple, the Nasdaq, and Tesla. Delivering a speech at the Bitcoin conference in 2022 Miami, Robinhood's chief product officer Aparna Chernapagada indicated that Bitcoin is the most repurchased asset in the investment platform so far this year, ahead of global giants Tesla and Apple. So yeah, as you can see here by this chart right here, we got Bitcoin, Big Daddy Bitcoin, you know, being number one, you know, on Robinhood. So this bullish news. A lot of people buying Bitcoin, you know. It looks like we also got some Ethereum here on the chart. I think we also saw some Dogecoin here. So Doge, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, some of the biggest movers this year on Robinhood. Indeed, the flagship digital asset recorded more than recurring purchases so far in 2022 than Apple, while particularly noteworthy is that Ether, a native token on Ethereum network, was the third most popular recurring purchase. All right. And another cryptocurrency that made it in the top 10 included the meme coin, Dogecoin. Because I think we can thank Elon Musk for that. Yeah, definitely that's Elon's work right there, taking all your money on Doge. But, you know, you guys still love him. You guys still love the guy. He can do no wrong. He's purchasing Twitter. He's making some gains on that Twitter purchase already. I believe it pumped like 30%. And Dodge had a surge of more than 30% earlier this week following news that long-term support in Tesla CEO Elon Musk purchased a 9% stake. Yeah, so like I said, Elon Musk can do no wrong, even though he's taking everybody's money. Always taking everybody's money. You guys might not know this, but he's taking all your money. And the more he does this, the more money, he's just getting richer and richer and richer. You guys just love to make him rich. So, there's that. Let's see what else we got in the news. Bitcoin traders' eyes. 38 dip as Kathy Wood confirms 1 million Bitcoin price strategy by 2030. 2030, 1 million. I could see that. You know, I could see that. Although I don't think this is the lowest we're going to see Bitcoin. I do believe we're going to see some lower Bitcoin. So, not dipping my toes in yet. So, Bitcoin faced a new threat of a dip below 40,000 on April 8th as short time frames failed to rescue bulls. Bitcoin risk returns to 38,000 support. Data from Cointelegraph, Market Pro, and TradingView showed that BTC USD consolidating at a range bounded by 44,000 prior to April 8th Wall Street open. The pair had reduced volatility after come down from 2022's highs during the week, but analysts warned that the return of the year's established trading range was a clear next step. BTC is in the process of trying to turn the 43,000 area into support. It has failed to do so. That. Yeah, 43 turns into resistance. BTC will confirm a return to the 38,000, 43,000 range, which was home to consolidate earlier this year. Popular traders and analysts. Well, that might be because we're in a bear market, guys. In a bear market, it's just going to keep going lower and lower and lower for a little bit, you know, until we get into that bull, until it starts going up, you know, until it's going to keep going down until it goes up, and it's going to keep going up until it goes down. Wise words. You heard it here first. Guys. Don't let anybody else tell you otherwise. All right. So, there's that news. Honduras adopts Bitcoin legal tender, but there is a catch. There's a catch on Honduras. ¿Qué pasó, Honduras? Honduras Honduran officials announced on April 8th that the country will now accept Bitcoin as legal tender, but only in the special economic zone called Honduras Prospera. What is this? The special economic zone called Honduras Prospera? Where's this place at? As reported by Crypto Slate in late March, the Central American country of Honduras had signaled its intent to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. At the time, President Xiomara Castro said neighboring El Salvador could not be the only country to free itself from the dollar hegemony. El Salvador is not the only one. We can do it too, you know? Yeah. The announcement is a win for cryptocurrency adoption. However, it remains to be seen whether Honduras will expand the law beyond its special economic zone to the rest of the country. I'm sure it's just a matter of time, you know, once this economic zone sees all the prosperity and all of this good stuff from Bitcoin, you know, the rest of the country is going to do it too. What is Honduras Prospera? Honduras Prospera was established in 2020 as an economic development hub to attract investment and entrepreneurial opportunities located on the what? Located on the island of Roatan, about 65 kilometers off the northern coast of Honduras. It boasts of a tropical climate and burgeoning infrastructure with plans to turn the area into a futuristic enterprise paradise. So it's a little island right there on the top of Honduras. Right? Oh, wait. I don't know where this is. I think Honduras, South America, somewhere down there. You know, if you ever been here, let me know. What's it like? What's it like over there? I do know it's. I believe it's like a third world country struggling with poverty and a lot of. They need a lot of help over there, but it looks like Bitcoin's gonna help them out and free them from the dollar. Roatan is the first of many planned development hubs in Honduras to follow the Prospero blueprint. Such projects may push the adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender across Honduras as new development breaks the ground. So big news, you know, more countries accepting Bitcoin. You know, it's just a matter of time before the whole world accepts Bitcoin. And maybe the U.S. is not accepting Bitcoin as legal tender, but, you know, there's a lot of U.S. companies that are accepting Bitcoin, and you can purchase a lot of things with Bitcoin already. So it's just a matter of time, guys. Just a matter of time. So get with it. Yes, Honduras adopts Bitcoin. Celsius holds more Bitcoin than any other company. Let's see here. MicroStrategy lost its reign as a company with the largest Bitcoin holding after Celsius announced that it now holds over 150,000 Bitcoin. The DeFi lending and borrowing platform made it the announcement at the Bitcoin 22 conference in Miami on April 7th, saying that Bitcoin was key factor in Celsius' mission to provide financial freedom. Celsius owns more than 6.5 billion in BTC. Tushar Nadkarni. Oh man, I need some help with these names. I need somebody to help me out. Chief Growth and Product Officer at Celsius made the announcement during the onboarding retail panel on the Bitcoin 22 conference. He said that Celsius teams was dedicated to increasing the simplicity, accessibility, and security of their platform, and that building solutions for Bitcoin was a key aspect to this business. So we got a lot of these blockchains just starting to own more and more Bitcoin. You know, this Bitcoin that they're holding, they're probably going to hold to that for a while, and it's only going to make the price go up. It really is. So good to hear. We got RSG. How would it work if it's so volatile? Let's say they accept it at X amount and then it dips. Does the company lose out on the money? Of course. That's exactly how it works, RSG. But when it comes to legal tender, when it comes to these businesses accepting Bitcoin, so it's pretty much like they have a dollar amount set. So say you want to buy Coke, right? So you go to this store and you say, hey, I would like to purchase this Coke in BTC. And they say, okay, well, this Coke is $2. $2 for the Coca-Cola. $2 for the Coca-Cola, okay? So you will pay me $2 of BTC right now at this moment. So then, at this moment, they will secure through the Lightning Network, as I am told, which is super fast and super efficient, very low latency there. You will purchase your $2 Coca-Cola with $2 BTC. At that moment, the company receives your BTC and immediately transfer that within 24 hours, so that it can be around the same rate. So they're not having like a high or low transfer rate. So of course, if the price of Bitcoin is going to be going down, it's going to sell pretty quick, and they're not going to lose very much money on that. Now, if the price of Bitcoin goes up, they can hold on to it for a little bit and then sell it and make a little bit of profit there. Of course, with a bunch of transactions, doing this over the time, you make some, you lose some a little bit. Overall, you end up pretty making this fast. You don't leave too much room for volatility there. So you're not going to be losing or gaining too much money, you know. Of course, sometimes there's those huge dips of like 30% that just happen. If you're purchasing at that time, I think you might lose a little bit. Then also, same thing with the huge increase, you know. So there's a little bit of volatility there going on there, but it's for the most part, they're transferring this money pretty quick. Very low risk to the seller. If anything, there's more risk in you buying and holding. But of course, only time has shown that if you have bought Bitcoin in the past, you're probably sitting in the green unless you bought it at 70K. But other than that, that's pretty much how it would work. RSG 313, thanks for that question. Thanks for that. If you have any more questions, guys, make sure to leave it in the chat. Make sure to leave that in the chat. Any more questions? We're going to be wrapping up the stream here. We have a little bit more news to cover. But yes, I do have to go to the beach, so I have to get ready. I have to start putting on some more sunblock. This one's already starting to wear off. But no problem, RSG. No problem, RSG. Make sure that if you have your Prime account, RSG, link that up and give me that Amazon Prime subscriber. Or if you know somebody with an Amazon account, just ask them to link it up. Link it up to your Twitch account. Really helps out the channel. If you like what I'm saying, if you don't like what I'm saying, also give me a follow and a subscribe. If you don't, and send me a message to shut up or something. You know, let me know what you're thinking. If you don't agree with what I'm saying, let me know. Tell me that I'm wrong. I don't want to be giving the people fake information. If you've learned that this is not true, then just let me know. Blue Powerade. Nice to see you on the chat. I haven't seen you lately, so hadn't heard from you today. Blue Powerade, nice to see you in the chat. Thanks for stopping by. Right back at you, Blue Powerade. Crypto news, live updates. So here we got the updates from Bitcoin Miami. An interesting start. BitPay adopts Lightning Network. See, here's the Lightning Network, man. Good stuff. Curve. First interview of the day. So we got some Curve interviews over here going on. So they got some funky styles. All right, guys. Curve. How's Bitcoin performing today? Not so well. Is inconsequential. All right. So some news from Bitcoin Miami. Publicly listed mining companies dominate global Bitcoin hash rate. So publicly listed Bitcoin miners dominate. According to a report published by Arcane Research, publicly listed mining companies now control 90% of Bitcoin's total hash rate, a significant jump from the meager 3% they managed as of January. Oh, so these companies are growing. For the uninitiated, hash rate simply means the total computing power used by a miner's computing tool to confirm the legitimized Bitcoin transaction. So it's pretty much how much graphics cards you have. Pretty much equals your hash rate. So if you got a lot of computing power, you got a lot of graphics cards, you got that 3090 on there, you got 100 of those, you're going to have a pretty big hash rate, you know. I mine on my little laptop here. I don't have a huge hash rate, so I know a little bit about these hash rates, mining and stuff. But I do. I want to make an announcement. I'm going to be giving away all of the Ethereum that I mine. I'm going to be giving it all away. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway of Ethereum. If you don't have an Ethereum wallet, make sure to get one so that you're eligible for my giveaway. Going to be giving away, some Ethereum. So make sure you guys stick around for that. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. Definitely not tomorrow. But sometime in the near future, I'm going to be giving away my Ethereum to one of you lucky viewers here. So just giving back to the people, you know? Giving back. According to the researchers, the total number of publicly listed mining companies has continually increased since the beginning of last year. While a handful of publicly listed Bitcoin mining firms existed already in 2021, there are now a total of 26 different public entities involved in the highly lucrative Bitcoin mining business. Notably, the report explains that the growth of these companies over the past year has been largely due to their access to capital, massive leverage that has been afforded to them, privileged to expand their operations faster than private firms. Furthermore, the research expressed great optimism about the expansion of publicly listed companies in the foreseeable future. Yeah. So good news. More mining, more people bringing more hashing power, and of course, the more people mining, the safer the network becomes. The more people that are printing the ledger at the same time, you know, that's how Bitcoin works. It's a ledger, and it's got all these computers doing the same thing at the exact same time. So the more people there is, the more people you're going to have to hack. If there's only one person computing this, doing this, then they would have full control of the network, and they could do some shady stuff. You know, they could say like, oh, well, actually, this is what you see what happened was this is what happened actually, and you didn't send that $100. You actually lost those $100, and you sent $1,000, and you sent them to me, not to that person. You actually sent them to me. So somebody could actually do that. There's only one person mining Bitcoin, but thank God there's not. There's a bajillion people doing it. Well, maybe not as many, but there's a lot of people doing it. As you can see, there's a lot of big major companies, publicly listed Bitcoin miners now dominating the Bitcoin. So it's good news. Good news, guys. Good news. Also, if I'm reading some of this stuff and you guys are like, what the heck does that mean? Feel free to let me know, you know. I'll happily explain that for you guys. It looks like we still have a few more of you guys in here. So appreciate it, guys. I greatly appreciate it. We had a great stream today. Great stream. But I think we're going to be closing out with this. So we got this right here. How the industry's brightest minds value BTC. All this week, Miami's Bitcoin Week, Vice City has been turned into a crypto hub, with the Miami Bitch Convention Center acting as the center of it all. The world's biggest conference, developed by solely to BTC, has drawn some of the most brilliant names in finance. Among the topics was how to value the first ever cryptocurrency, perhaps one of the most important questions anyone who has ever heard of Bitcoin asks. Here are some of the most important takes over here in the Bitcoin industry event. John Von Eck and the Vaulting Bitcoin. The message is clear that Bitcoin 2022, the Miami, the cryptocurrency is a lot of different things to a lot of different people. In this all-inclusive design that makes the technology breakthrough for the world of global finance and the powerful tool. Yeah, so Bitcoin gives us the opportunity of internet money. Free internet, well, not free, but internet money. You know, internet money is not the easiest thing to make. Visa, MasterCard, they have been tackling this issue for years. They are trying their best, but you know what? Their fees are too damn high. Their fees are too damn high, and I don't want to pay them. Why are their fees so damn high? Because they want to get richer and richer and richer. So we got Bitcoin to save the day. Bitcoin will liberate us from all these big banks suppressing the little man, and, you know, taking our money, taking advantage of us just because they thought we couldn't do it. Well, guess what? We did. And we got Bitcoin here. So with that being said, I'm going to end the stream. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for Ben Taylor for being my first subscriber. I appreciate it. I'm going to look into this Z stuff for you. And hopefully I have some more answers for you guys on Monday. But thanks for stopping by, guys, and you guys stay classy. See you guys on Monday.